Greetings to all of you on the eve of the 72nd Republic Day of the world's largest and most vibrant democracy. In these lands of ours, enriched by diversity with many festivals, our national festivals are celebrated by everyone with great patriotic fervor. We celebrate the National Festival of the Republic Day with enthusiasm and expresses our respect for the national flag and our faith in the Constitution. This day has come to mean a lot to all Indians living within the country and abroad. 71 years ago, on this very day, we, the people of India, adopted, enacted, and gave to ourselves a unique constitution. For all of us, then this is the day to also pause and ponder over the core values that the constitution propounds. These values, justice, liberty, and fraternity, outlined in the preamble of our Constitution, are sacred to all of us. Its abiding adherence is meant not only for those who are mandated to govern, but for the people at large. It's not without reason that the wise men and women who framed the Constitution chose to place these four terms at the very beginning of the Constitution to build the foundation on which the edifice of democracy rests. In fact, these are the values that guided our freedom struggle. A galaxy of great leaders and thinkers like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, and Subhash Chandra Bose inspired our freedom struggle. They had diverse dreams of a magnificent future of the motherland, but common to their aspiration were these values: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. I would like that we go back further into the history and inquire why precisely these values guided our national builders. And the answer is obvious. This land and its inhabitants have cherished this ideal from a time immemorial. Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity are perennial principles of our philosophy of life. They come to us from the dawn of the civilization through an unbroken chain. It is, of course, the task of every generation to seek out the meaning of these values for its time. As the freedom fighter did in their day, so we should in our time. Thus, key to principles should light our path to development. Every Indian salutes our farmers who have made our vast and populous country self-reliant in food grains and dairy products. Despite adversities of nature, numerous other challenges, and COVID-19 pandemic, our farmers sustained agricultural production. A grateful nation is fully committed to the welfare of our farmers. Just as a hardworking farmer ensures food security for the country, the brave soldiers of the armed forces ensure security of national boundaries amid severest conditions from the freezing cold at Siachen at Galwan Valley in Ladakh with temperatures as low as minus 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, the scorching heat in Jaisalmer with temperatures as high as 50 degrees Celsius, on land, in the sky, and the vast coastal areas. Our warriors are vigilant every moment. Every citizen feels proud at the bravery, patriotism, and the spirit of sacrifice among our soldiers. By their contribution to food security, national security, protection against disease and disaster in different areas of development, our scientists have strengthened our national endeavors from space to the farms, from education institutions to hospitals. The community of scientists has enriched our life and work. Our scientists have been working our day and night for decoding the coronavirus and have succeeded in developing the vaccine in record time. With this accomplishment, our scientists have added a glorious chapter of contribution, the well-being of our humanity. Our scientists, along with doctors, administration, and people from other walks of life, have made major contribution in containing the virus and keep the fatality rate lower in our country compared to in the developed countries. Thus, all our farmers, soldiers, and scientists deserve special appreciation, and the grateful nation greets them on their auspicious occasion of the Republic Day. Hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe it.